Good morning, my name is Dave. Thanks for joining me. And today is D-Day. Yes, today's the day I'm going to do the injector on my car. Well, actually it's going to be tomorrow. I'm going to do the prep today, and tomorrow I'm going to take off the rocker cover and take out the injector. So the gasket has arrived, and as I explained in my last video, $240 for a kit, whereas I purchased the kit online. And here you get the 2 half moon seals for the back of the rocker cover and the head. That is the seal for the high pressure oil pipe, and you get a few of these, enough of those in the bag there to go around all the bolts on the rocker cover, which I might add will strip really easily. So be very careful when tightening those up. If you strip them, you have to drill them out and helicoil them, and you don't want to be doing that if you can help it. So don't over tighten them, don't tighten them to the Torx, just nip them up hand tight as best you can without stripping them. The next part of the video will be me prepping the injectors, putting them into the ultrasonic bath to try and clean up the injector nozzles a little bit and see what I can do. I haven't decided what fluid I'm going to use. I'll probably use some diesel, and I might try and get some injector cleaning fluid to mix in with it. It might help. We'll see how we go. I've got to go to the vets with the dog. He's got my dog's 16. He has got to have his seniors check. So it's his seniors check today at 10 o'clock. I'll have done that, and the next thing you'll see is me in the garage. And here I am 5 hours later. And just to you, it's gone like that. I've been to the vets, and I've been to Super Cheap. And I bought some diesel injector cleaner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put diesel injector cleaner into the ultrasonic bath. A little tip for you guys: if you take your nitrile glove off and it's inside out, and you don't want to use a new one, just turn it in the right way around, blow into it, and put it back on again, so you don't waste the glove. A little tip for you there. Now, what I did do was I overestimated the capacity of the ultrasonic cleaner and bought 2 bottles of diesel injector cleaner. So let's put it in. Well, that's about half filled it. I don't think it's enough. So I'll put the other one in, or at least some of the other one. Now, I bought the cheapest injector cleaner I could get, which was $11 at Super Cheap. It's Super Cheap Auto. It's their own brand. So now here's the injectors. Now the problem is they've been in there and Rob's been grinding. So I'm going to have to. There it goes. Now that's a little copper washer off the end there. You don't want to leave that on, because you want to get it clean behind it, and you've got to replace that every time. Right, that's the top clean. It's not that the ultrasonic cleaner isn't that fast, it's just I just had to get the bits off it. And it goes for 3 minutes. So I'm going to have to keep restarting it. So there's a close-up look of the cleaner in action. And you can see already that the fluid colour change, considering was that colour and now it's that colour, it's already starting to clean. I'm going to wait for the 3 minutes to go by, and then I'm going to start it again and keep restarting it until I'm finished. A nice clean cloth, essential, pink. This has an option of 35 and 50 watts, so I'm thinking 35 might be less. You might get more time out of it. I think I'm going to have to order a bigger ultrasonic cleaner. So when you see this video again, it'll be tomorrow. We'll be taking the intercooler cover off and the rocker cover. We'll be doing the test again, the click test again, to narrow down. With the rocker cover off, you can hear it better. We'll then remove the 1 or 2 faulty injectors that we have. I'll show you how that's done. I'll show you how to remove the injector and prep it ready for the new one. You do get some oil dropping down into the bore. You have to clean that out, make sure it's clean in there, or the copper washer here won't seal, and you'll get a leaking injector, and that'll blow your seals, and then that will cause you to have oil or water or diesel in you. Any of them three can mix, and you don't want that because those seals are essential. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave that running, and I'm going to leave the injector to soak. I'm going to put the other injector in so that soaks at the same time. Next thing you know, it'll be tomorrow, and it'll be the next part of the video. So I'll see you then.